Hey guys, it's Wayne from Sling Pilot Academy here. The beaches have been closed for months. It's a beautiful day and I'm really excited to go out. We've set cameras up under the wing and really excited to go out and take some film of the beaches with absolutely nobody on them, completely naked.
Torrance traffic, Blue and White Sling is taking runway 29 right for straight out departure. Torrance traffic.
I think 95 is fine. Yeah.
Oh, I think Aaron's on the boat down there in King Harbour. I'm going to try and time my turn here and aim that underwing camera directly at the Manhattan Beach Pier.
There's not one fucking person on the beach.
PV traffic, low wing, Blue and White Sling is Trump Golf Course, low level, flying southbound. PV traffic. Wow, look at that. Absolutely nobody on Trump Golf Course. It's completely shut down. Another beautiful day here in Sling Pilot Academy's classroom. The beaches, after being closed for months, were open yesterday, and we're really excited to go for a fly and just see how busy they are.
Sling 135 Whiskey Tango, Torrance Tower, straight out approved, runway 29 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 29 right, thanks, Fly Whiskey Tango. And Torrance Tower, 5 Whiskey Tango, can we actually turn right and head out toward Manhattan Beach Pier and then transition back to the south, 5 Whiskey Tango?
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, approved as requested, and report your 180 back southbound.
Okay, we'll report our 180 back southbound, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango. Is we can go this regular height this way, and then we can come back close to the water the other way,
Yeah.
and then film out the side. So you can see from the video, we were expecting the beaches to be really busy the day after they opened, and it was a beautiful day, and they weren't. It was really surprising to us. We thought they'd be packed. It did get packed on the weekend. It was absolutely wild on the weekend, but really quiet. Okay, so I'm going to turn here. Torrance Tower, we've made our southbound turn, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Oh, I thought that was my house. Never mind.
Oh yeah, there's my house right there.
That's mine then. You guys gonna come for tennis?
Yeah.
Low-level traffic PV practice area, blue and white low incoming up Point Vicente, low level eastbound. I just want to come sit on one of these beaches for a day and bake my balls.
Yep.
Little McMansion.
Little McMahon. Okay, when I first came here, I looked after a house up there on the hill, overlooking this. I remember my first sunset. And I said, this is where I want a house, this side, overlooking the Pacific Ocean.
There's one person on the golf course.
Okay. Oh yeah, there you go.
golf course.
Oh, yeah, there's people on the golf course.
Yeah, the golf is open, yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Perry would say.
I'll text JJ. He'll be happy.
What?
They moved a cruise ship back into the terminal over there. Or is that?
There was one in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
All the ones are gone here, we noticed yesterday, they're all gone. And the Mercy's still there. What do you want to do? Should we land on the beach here?
Okay.
We should, let's do it. I'll take the flag.
Hey guys, it's Wayne from Sling Pilot Academy here. Hard to believe that these are the beaches that just a few days ago we flew over and they were completely empty. Completely empty. And look at them now, boy. So I should really be flying over the beach, but it's too nice.
And we want to get this video out, but I tell you what, we're going to go flying on Memorial Day as well. My guess is they're going to be even more wild than they were on Saturday. So really looking forward to getting out on Memorial Day. I think we're going to get some great shots, so stay tuned.